my name is Aishi and welcome to today's video. So today's video is all about Nykaa bestsellers. So I have got my hands on some of the bestsellers as proclaimed by Nykaa. These are all short reviews on the product. If you want a detailed video on the products or any of the products, then do let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be happy to make them. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get it. First recommendation which I have, which I absolutely love myself, is this sunscreen from Dot and Key. I love this one so much. There are so many sunscreens and I have even tried out those spray sunscreens, but I'm not a fan of any other sunscreen as much as I am of this one right here. It's very creamy, it's non-sticky, it stays on, gives a nice moisture. It's also sweat proof and does not leave a white cast, which I think is a big thing in sunscreen. It can be a little bit expensive for a sunscreen because it comes around $4.95, or even on a discount you can get it for 400 rupees, but not lesser than that. And if you can, it's your luck. But yeah, it can be a little bit expensive, but it has lasted me for so long, the entire summer, and I still have some of it left. So yeah, this is a great investment. And the foundation which I have is also one of my favorites, which is this foundation from Maybelline. Now I'm not going to go in depth about this foundation because I already have a comparison video of a Maybelline foundation with Dior foundation. It's basically a video comparison of an affordable option and a very luxurious one, so you guys can check that out. But in short, what I would like to say about this product is that I absolutely love this one. This is so budget friendly, it does the job, and it is one of the bestsellers for a reason, because it does a very beautiful job. If you have pores on it and if you are not applying a primer, then just go in with this foundation and it will work wonders for your skin. It works great on oily skin, acne prone skin, combination skin type, if you have textured skin, if you have smooth skin, which is why I absolutely love this one. And as I said, it's affordable, so everybody can try it out. And also it has various shade range, so that is also a bonus. Whenever I'm suggesting foundation, this is always in the list. So anyone who is looking for a good budget friendly foundation which does the job, then this one is that. So now let's move on to some of the recommendations which I do not agree with, and that is this one. This is the Swiss Beauty Shiny Pearl Water Drop Blemish Balm BB Foundation Cream. So I know this is a BB foundation cream, so it is not actually supposed to be like a good flawless foundation, but the results from this are so bad. You are going to look horrendous, and especially if you have oily skin like me, then your makeup is going to be totally butchered. It is not smooth from the very beginning. It's like very thick, so I like to mix it up with my moisturizer or sunscreen just to thin up the consistency. They have other shades, it is affordable, I know, but like, I don't know, I don't even like the coverage that much. But yeah, that if you want more detailed review on this product, unfortunately, then you guys can check out my entire video on full face of Swiss Beauty products, where I try everything from Swiss Beauty, where I talk about this in depth. And so I have very dramatic eyes today, so let's talk about some of the eye products which I absolutely love, and that is Nykaa's kajal and their eyeliner. You can also buy it in combo. Like the kajal, I got it with a lipstick and a compact, and this was a birthday gift, and I got an eyeshadow and also something else, a lipstick with this one as well. Yeah, so you can buy it in combos or you can also buy it individually. So talking about the kajal, I love this kajal so much. For so long I was not a fan of black kajals, but then I applied this one and it makes my eyes look bigger, but the application is very smooth, and in one glide, one swipe, you get a very nice jet black look. Now this is not a waterproof, so if you're waterproof, and this is also not sweat proof, so if you're someone who has oily skin or you are working in heat during the summer, this is going to smudge all over. But overall, I think for the price and the look, it's quite justified, and I love this product. If you are a college going girl, or if you're looking for an affordable, budget friendly kajal option which does the job, then this is the one for you. Now moving on to the eyeliner. The eyeliner is waterproof, which I actually like. So yeah, you can easily remove it off with a micellar water, and this is the eyeliner. It looks quite small, and this has a huge lid, but it lasts for so long. I absolutely love this one. Again, very easy to apply, and if you're someone who likes to do various kinds of makeup and you're into graphic liners, and it has a very narrow tip which will help you in different kind of eyeliners and doing all those creative I cannot do that, but yeah, I prefer the small tip. And yeah, it has a brush like tip, so it's not like a pen application kind of an eyeliner, so if that is an issue for you. But apart from that, I love the function, I love the overall effect. Again, it gives a very nice jet black look with one swipe, and I have used it for long and I like this one. I've used it for many months, and I can actually attest and vouch to it that it is actually sweat proof and it does stay for many hours. So moving on to lipstick recommendation, because you guys love my lipstick videos, how can I not include lipsticks in it? So the first lipstick is from Nykaa itself. As I told you guys, I got this from a combo. I got this, the kajal and the compact. So this is the lipstick. This is the shade which I do not like, but I actually wanted the compact and kajal, so I went ahead. So this is how the lipstick looks like. This is my first time trying a Nykaa lipstick, so it was very buttery, very smooth. It's not a matte lipstick, it's a bullet lipstick, and I like this one. I have butchered it quite a bit. So while opening, I have destroyed it a little bit, but yeah, this is how it looks. I like the shade. It's not my shade because I'm a dusky person, and it just looks very neonish on my lips. So it's a bulletproof lipstick, so it's of course not going to stay for long. If you're going to eat something oily, then you have to reapply your lipstick again. But I'm actually into pink lipsticks, but I do not like the shade. But yeah, if you like it, you can go ahead with it. What I like in my lipstick is that it should not be drying, so it is not that. So I like it for that, but apart from that, the shade I do not like, which again is my problem because I knew I was getting the shade, but still I opted for that. So yeah, overall no complaints about Nykaa lipsticks. I absolutely love every lipstick which I got from Nykaa, but I just do not like this shade. So moving on, I have two lipsticks from Swiss Beauty. Now I have tried some of the lipsticks of Swiss Beauty, and every lipstick product which I've tried out from them, I have become a fan. So these are the two shades which I'm talking about. These are their bestsellers, and they absolutely should be, every girl should be trying them out because they're so affordable. They look so beautiful on Indian skin tone. They are so smooth, so buttery on, and they look like liquid lipsticks, but they're not like those drying mattified liquid lipsticks. Now if you're into mattified lipsticks, then this is not for you. This is mattified, this is a transfer proof, but it is not drying at all. There are some lipsticks which highlight the cracks on my lips, which I absolutely hate, but this is not one of them, thankfully, and I love them so much. Stay for hours and they do not budge until you are removing them from a micellar water, and they are so creamy, soft on the lips that you can apply them for an entire day and not be bothered by it. Also, they're very chotu and cute, so you can easily carry it around. So yeah, I absolutely love this lipsticks, and I absolutely love these lipsticks, and I would recommend every girl to at least try some of the shades from this particular range. Hair now, so I have this hair straightener from Vega. Now I am not a big fan of Vega hair straightener, guys. Like, I don't know, I just don't like it. So I got a combo one which had a hair dryer and a hair straightener. Uska straightener, so like I would not say anything about it, but this is an individual hair straightener, and I don't know why I again got this Vega one. I'm like so disappointed. It does not have a lot of heat settings. It's very patla, and I have like very thick voluminous hair, so it takes a lot of time to straighten my hair, and I have tried it today, and you guys can see it's still not straight. So if you want a manageable hair, then you can go for it, but if you want that jet smooth look, then this is not the product for you. It absolutely helps in controlling the frizz and giving a nice look to your hair, but it does not make your hair shiny or anything, and it does not stay for long. The straightened effect comes on very quickly, but then it does not stay long, and I would not recommend it for someone who is looking for a jet straight look. Next, I have a shampoo which is the bestseller for a reason. So many of the girls love it for the right reason, which is this shampoo from Wow. This has onion, fenugreek in it, and I was someone who was looking for a good shampoo because I have intense hair fall. I was literally on the verge of balding, and then I tried this out. I have heard so many good things about it, and it actually deserves all the praises because it does a wonderful job. It actually helped in making my hair healthy and shiny, and I have seen less hair fall after using this. This is a small bottle and lasts me for 2 to 3 months, but it totally depends upon the hair length, the hair type, and how many times you are shampooing your hair. This has no sulfates, no parabens, no chemicals, and it has so healthy ingredients, and it actually does the job. It does all the function which it proclaims it will do. So I absolutely love this one, and if you're someone who has a dry hair, frizzy hair, intense hair fall, then do give this one a try. And finally, it's summer, so my last product recommendations are some perfume ideas. Now this was a gift and it is very affordable. It only comes for 500 and you get these 4 perfumes. I love the smell of all of them. So first is this Date Woman. This is one of my favorites. Actually, I cannot list them like in 1, 2, 3, 4 because all of them are quite unique and they have a different kind of scent depending upon the event. So I like all of them. I do not hate any of the fragrance because all of them are like so different, so unique and suitable for different purposes. So this, as the name says, is a Date Woman, and this is a very musky, very deep kind of a scent, and I am into, and I really like that. And then I have this Glam Woman. So this one is more like of a morning dew, fresh kind of a smell, like how you would smell after you would come out of a bath. So this is exactly that. Senorita Woman. This is also very light, very mild, but smells very fresh. It smells kind of a shampoo. So again, if you are into smelling very fresh, then this one is for you. And I cannot find the other one, but I will insert a video clip if I do. So that we have come to the end of the Nykaa bestseller video. So those were all my short reviews. You guys can comment if you agree or not, and if you guys want a part 2, then do let me know. I still have so many other products which I would love to review for you guys. So yeah, that was all. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time. Till then, you guys can follow me on my Instagram. You do not have to, but you can, and it would make me really happy. So yeah, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.